Time and again, I was warning for an impending correction in global stock markets. You can go back and look at my videos, and people were taking it as very ordinary bit of advice. I got lot of trollers coming after me. It was very disheartening. I was pointing out a time would come when the markets will be hit very hard. S&P 500 just around 4200 at this point of time. Would not be surprised to see it much lower. As far as the Nifty is concerned, it is 19,100 odd. Would also not be surprised to see it go below 19. Friends, there are some strategic issues in the market currently. No downward movement will happen in a straight line. No upward movement happens in a straight line. However, if you look at the immediate, very short-term perspective, you find that the markets are beginning to change the structure. There's a sector rotation also going on. Let's look at the United States. You have Microsoft doing well today, but Alphabet is down close to 10% on just a little miss in the cloud computing growth rate. So we have companies like Verizon being rewarded for even a few cents beat in the estimates in the actual results as compared to the expectations, whereas companies like Alphabet, which have overall performed quite well with good revenue and earnings, they are being punished badly. Therefore, you have something like telecommunication, Verizon, etc. doing very well. Companies in the what we call erstwhile we would have called Magnificent 7 not doing well or getting converted into a Magnificent 5. Impact of the yields has been there on stocks, but at this point of time, it's a cocktail of various things that are going around in the world that are coming to haunt. So we have not only higher yields, bond yields, but that's been there for quite some time. We have the Israel-Hamas conflict, which actually initial days, in fact, the markets globally went well. But I had mentioned this will only be the initial stage. Things have changed. Oil prices being on the boil. More countries being involved in the war-like situation. There's a lot of scare across the world. So we have gold going up. We have Bitcoin going up. Bitcoin was up almost 8% yesterday. Things are on the swing, friends. We are all dealing with a situation which is extremely delicate. We need to understand how much the market can go down, or are we nearing the bottom? I believe that there is some more downside left, so be cautious. I would definitely advise you not to take fresh leverage or loans to invest in the markets. Don't do that. Even if you're losing in some stocks at this point of time, do not try to average it at this point of time until I tell you. And yes, if you need a very good detailed analysis, then please do join our premium value package, which gives you a full week predictions in advance, plus many intraday calls, short-term and medium-term predictions. Very good stocks which can turn out to be multi-baggers. Number to get in touch, 9820861044. बाई और बहनों, इस वक्त डाउ S&P नैस्डैक अब लगभग सब रेड में जा चुके हैं. नैस्डैक लगभग 2% डाउन है. 200 डेज मूविंग एवरेज के नीचे जा रहा है 2 दिन कंसिस्टेंटली. तो ये बहुत अच्छा महत्व इवन टेक्निकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से नहीं देखा जाता. हम तो 200 डेज मूविंग एवरेज तक पहुंचते नहीं. मैं आज आपको बता सकता हूं कि मार्च ऑफ 2024 में क्या होने वाला है. मैं बैठ नहीं सकता कि 200 डेज के मूविंग एवरेज तक पूरा होए फिर बताएं कि क्या होगा. ऐसा नहीं होता, ठीक है. पर फिर भी ज़रूरी है, ठीक है. 200 डेज का एक बेंचमार्क रहता है, तो आपको समझने में भी आसान, मुझे बोलने में भी आसान, ठीक है. कई अंडरकरेंट्स, हेडविंड्स हैं जो ग्लोबल मार्केट्स के सामने हैं. S&P 500 इस वक्त 4200 के इंडेक्स के लगभग है. मुझे अगर आश्चर्य ना होगा और गिरावट दिखाई दे 4100 और उसके नीचे भी जा सकता है. निफ्टी 19,150 के करीब, 19,000 के करीब छूने की संभावना है और उससे नीचे भी कुछ जा सकता है. लेकिन याद रखिएगा, मार्केट में एक ही तरफा ना गिरावट होती है ना बढ़त, उसका इसलिए इसका नाम रखा गया है मार्केट। ठीक है, इसमें गिरावट भी रहेगी और बढ़त भी रहेगी, लेकिन वेरी शॉर्ट टर्म में मुझे डाउन साइड अप साइड से ज़्यादा दिख रहा है। कहाँ तक जाए के रुकेगा ये मार्केट, ये जानना आपके लिए बहुत ही अनिवार्य है। इसके लिए ज़रूर आप संपर्क करें। हमारा प्रीमियम वैल्यू पैकेज है जो हफ्ते का एडवांस में देता है, उसे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। नहीं तो वर्ल्ड कप स्पेशल तो है ही है, एक दिन एडवांस में प्रेडिक्शन तो दे ही देता है। उसमें आप BTST करिए, इंट्राडे करिए, जो करना है करिए, लेकिन वो खूबसूरत वर्ल्ड कप का बहुत इकोनॉमिकली प्राइस्ड रखे हैं ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग उसका लाभ उठा सकें। दोनों में से जो पसंद है ज्वाइन करके अच्छी सी गाड़ी में बैठ जाइए। ठीक है, संपर्क करने का नंबर सभी के लिए ही 9820861044, फिर से 9820861044। आज शाकंभरी देवी की पूजा करते हैं, उनसे प्रार्थना करता हूँ आप सब लोग को सुख समृद्धि मिले, और इसी से यहाँ समाप्त करता हूँ। जय माता दी।